Please visit our playlists. Photoshop with t-shirt printing, CorelDRAW with t-shirt printing, YouTube tips, Filmora video editing tutorials, cooking and salads, basic accounting tutorials, makeup tutorials, military news update, sorry, skincare, travel vlog, chess assassin playlist. Shout out to the following:
Katagas Fishing TV, via El Prisco. This game was during the 29th USSR Championship between the two magicians. Rashid Nezmetdinov opens with e4, and Mikhail Tal replies with c5. The Sicilian defense. This g4 move, indirectly supporting the e4 and d5 squares because black knight on f6 can be attacked anytime, with g5 move. This time the white knight on the edge of the board will brings trouble to black position. The knight and the rook are eyeing on the f7 pawn. White cannot afford to lose his light square bishop. It helps defend his king and the e4 pawn. Just as black pieces are consolidating and about to remove his king from the center, white decisive sacrifice loses his chance to hide. As a general rule, as much as possible, always make a move that threatens something. White is threatening to capture the bishop on f6. The final sacrifice that destroys black's position. White's attack is beautifully executed, and white's queen cannot be captured because the black bishop is pinned to the king. Another move that obliterates black's position. And the final blow. And the only available square for the king is d6. Black resigns in this position because he will lose his queen with knight check on f7.
That is all for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.